Hello everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through how to increase your carbon loan limit fast. Now here's what actually increases your limit. You need to repay early every time. This is the single biggest lever. Carbon rewards early payment with access to higher amounts next round. Use it to transact regularly on the app. Transfers, bill payments, card use, all of it fits into their credit scoring. And if you have good credit scoring, they give you more. Transact regularly on the app. Never default or go late, even once. Late payment history hurts you fast. Keep your details consistent. Same BVM, same name, same bank account across every loan cycle. Switching things around looks risky to their system. Looks like a scam. Maintain steady inflow into the bank account linked to carbon. Regular income pattern signal you can repay, and they won't be afraid to give you more. Now, reviews are mixed on this. Some users say their limits grew steadily after consistent repayment, others report the opposite. Their limit shrinking even after perfect repayment history, sometimes down to as low as 4,000 to 10,000, even after repaying large loans in full. So fast isn't really guaranteed here. It seems to depend heavily on their internal risk model, which isn't fully transparent. But here's one thing to avoid: don't take out loans back to back just to build activity without a real need, since some users suspect overborrowing can actually work against you rather than just for you. And if your limit drops unexpectedly despite good repayment, contacting the support and asking for a manual review is worth a shot, though response times get mixed reviews too. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below.